Hey guys, Happy New Year. So we are in the first week of 2026. Oh my God, can't believe it. And I'm so excited because I finally got my coffee grinder. I'm so excited and I want to do the unboxing with you guys. So if you want to join me, the way this is so heavy. I went with the Eureka Atom W65 Grind by weight because through the research I was doing, this one is the one that is the easiest to use, especially when you have an event. Can't wait to try it and I'll show you guys how it goes. But that's all for today. Happy beginning of 2026.